takes you home.
Right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have been wanting to film for the longest time ever, but I feel like I had to wait for the right moment to film it, and today is the right moment. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I cleared my acne and how I went from my skin looking like this to my skin looking like this. I wanted to film this video with the smallest amount of makeup on possible. So right now I have on the tiniest bit of concealer just under my eyes. I have mascara on and I have eyebrows on. That is it. This is my skin. You can see it's still a little bit red here. I have a few scars that I need to try and get rid of, but this is what my skin looks like. If you have been following me on Instagram or if you've been following my channel for a while, you would know that I have suffered from severe acne for the longest time. It gets really bad and then it goes away, and then it gets really bad again, and then it goes away for a while, and I just have finished clearing up a really bad breakout. In January my skin was horrible and I was trying everything to get rid of it, and I finally found the perfect routine to get rid of my acne and help clear up my acne scarring a little bit as well. So I have some skincare products that I'm going to share with you guys, as well as my skincare routine, and then I'm also going to share with you guys at the end of the video the one thing that has definitely helped with my skin the most. But I'm going to get straight into my skincare routine because I think that's what you guys are here for. So starting off, I use the Mario Badescu Acne Facial Cleanser. I bought this guy in a little travel mini set with all their other acne stuff. But I really liked the cleanser, so once I used up the mini size I decided to stick with the big size. So this is what I use to wash my face every single day. And then to exfoliate my face, I have always been a huge fan of Frank Body, so I use the creamy face scrub from Frank. Yeah, I've been using this for a very long time and I really like it because it exfoliates your skin really well, but it's not super harsh, so it helps lift all the dead skin cells and everything, but it doesn't dry out your skin like most exfoliators do and a ton of other ones that I've tried. This is definitely by far my favorite exfoliator. So once I have finished washing my face, I use the Ren Ready Steady Glow AHA tonic. I have only just started using this maybe like 2 weeks ago, but I wanted to show it in the video because I absolutely love it and I have noticed results. This really just helps brighten my skin and make it look a lot more glowy, and it's also helped a little bit with my acne scarring as well. So I'm excited to see what this does when I've been using it for longer, because I haven't been using it for that long, but I do really like it, so I still wanted to show it to you guys. So it just comes in this little pump thing as well, which I think is really cool. You just pump a little cotton pad on top and it comes out, and I just use this to tone my skin. This also it stimulates the skin to naturally exfoliate. It uses lactic acid and willow bark extract together to smooth, tone and help reduce pore size. And the two moisturizers, well, I've been using one moisturizer, but I wanted to show you guys another one because the one that I have been using is the Chanel Hydra Beauty Cream, and I decided that I just wanted to invest in a super good moisturizer. It is a little bit expensive, that's why I wanted to show you guys a second moisturizer as well, because I know that everybody can't afford this or don't necessarily want to spend that amount of money on skincare, but I did, and I'm glad that I did because I've wanted to try this for the longest time and I recently bought it and it is amazing. Firstly, it smells so good and it is the most hydrating moisturizer I have ever used in my life. It works really well with this because this can be a little bit drying on your skin. I try to only focus it like on my cheek area and on my forehead as well. I try to avoid like under here and like in the creases of my nose as well, because I find especially in winter my skin gets really dry there, so I want to avoid drying it out with anything. And then this just goes in and puts all the moisture back in your face and I've noticed a huge difference in the way my skin looks with this. It just looks a lot healthier and fuller and more awake. I wanted to share with you guys the Frank Body Everyday Moisturizer, because this is a really, really good moisturizer that I have also used for the longest time up until now. Switching to the Chanel one. But yeah, this is really, really good. I love all of Frank Body skincare products. If you're looking for a new skincare product, you might as well just try out the whole range, because I really, really like it. So this is, you know, super inexpensive, and it's a really good creamy hydrating moisturizer as well. And what I use for under my eyes, it doesn't really have anything to do with acne, but I use the Mario Badescu hyaluronic eye cream. I bought this while I was away in the States because I was getting no sleep and the bags under my eyes were insane. So I bought this and I've been using it ever since, and I really, really like it. So I've also been using the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. As you can see, this is pretty much empty. I can't use the little dropper thing anymore because it doesn't reach to the bottom, so I have to tip it up. But this also really helps with acne scarring and correcting dark spots and discoloration. So I've been using this for a few months now, and I really, really like it. And the last thing, I don't really use this every day or every night, just every now and then, but it's the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. So this is just something nice to add at the end of my skincare routine, just to, you know, freshen up my face. Is my skincare routine and the products that I use. I will try my best to find all the products online, and I'll link them all down in the description bar for you guys, so you don't have to go searching for them. I'm going to show you the magic little things that have really helped clear my skin the most. I've been taking these Juice Plus nutritional supplements. So I take the fruit and the veggie. So basically what they are is they're little capsules. Inside them they have, so inside these are juiced and dried fruits and vegetables. So in the fruits one, there's apple, peach, cranberry, orange, mango, lemon peel, cherry, pineapple, prune, date and beet. In the veggie one, there's broccoli, parsley, tomato, carrot, garlic, beet, spinach, cabbage, lemon peel, rice bran and kale. So what I find really helps with clearing acne is taking care of yourself from the inside out. So obviously things that you put on your skin are going to help a little bit, but acne, I feel it, well for me anyway, comes from, you know, what I put inside my body. So if I'm eating super unhealthy, drinking a lot of soft drink, having a lot of sugar, my skin is going to be 10 times worse. But if I'm drinking a lot of water, taking my capsules daily, so this is basically giving me 30 varieties of fruits and veggies every single day, so I could not live without these guys. I will have a link down in the description as well of where you can get these, or if you want some more information, I will pop my Instagram down in the description bar, so you can message me on there and find out some more information. And I would love to chat to you guys about clearing your skin. These also help with like eczema and psoriasis, and you know, there's also berry supplements as well, and omegas, which really, really help with acne and skin. So I will link all of the information for these guys down in the description bar, but I just cannot explain how much these have helped my skin. Taking these, and I started noticing a huge difference, and then I updated my skincare routine and started using better products, and just overall taking care of myself a lot more, trying to not stress as much, drinking a lot of water, eating healthier, all that good stuff. That is what helped clear my skin, and now I am confident to go out without makeup, and I feel like I don't need to cover up my face to see people. You know, it's just made me feel a lot better about myself, because I know that because I've struggled with acne for so long, I know that it does take a huge toll on your self-confidence. I would never want to talk to people. I would always be self-conscious that people were looking at my acne when I was, you know, talking to them. And now I kind of feel like, you know, acne is acne. So many people have it. Most of the time you can't help it. and most of the time you are trying your hardest to get rid of it. But just know that if you suffer from acne, that it's not a big deal. It shouldn't take a toll on your self-confidence, even though I know it does and I know that it will. Just try not to let it affect you. My DM's always open if you want to have a chat. I can help you. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite skincare products are, or what you've been taking or using to help clear your skin. Yeah. I'll link both of my Instagrams down in the description bar. I'll link my business Instagram and my personal Instagram. So you can click on my amy.bombshells Instagram if you want to find out more info on these magical little babies. And then my personal Instagram for everything else. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.